Good morning, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. I have to show you this view that we woke up to. Check it out. It is our final day, day number 4. It's our day at sea. It's going to be a fun day. I hope you guys are ready because we are. Let's go do this. Happy Thursday. For breakfast this morning, we decided just to come to Cafe Promenade to get a very hot cup of coffee, a donut, and a strawberry parfait. I'm now back inside of the market because we need aloe really bad because we are both very burnt. I found a few more Independence of the Seas t-shirts if you want a souvenir. They also have like a little clearance section back here. Everything seems to be $10. And they have watches for $20. What a bargain. They even have Caribbean rum cakes for sale, coconut flavored.
Deck 11.
Well, this is definitely the most busiest I've seen the ship thus far, just because it is a day at sea and everybody is on board right now. But it's still not too horrible. I came up here to the FlowRider to fill out my waiver, which I did. I got a wristband. I'm excited. I'm gonna do this after lunch though. See, it's those rubber claws. I knew it. It was only $1. We tried. We came back to the room to change for lunch, and look, we have a monkey. That's awesome. That may be the best animal towel we've ever had, right?
I agree.
And then, sad day, our departure instructions. Looks like we are Group D to get off the ship. So, it's officially our first day at sea, and so far, we are really enjoying it. It's number one, because it seemed like everybody slept in this morning, so we were able to sleep in a little longer, and honestly, just waking up and pulling the curtains open this morning and just seeing we were at sea and not docked at a port, that was unbelievable. That was amazing. We just had breakfast. I think the plan now is we do have chops for lunch at noon, which we are excited about because we never got to try chops for lunch. We looked at the menu, looks really good. And then after lunch, I want to go try to ride the FlowRider, maybe the water slides. I know I can't film on the water slides, but I think today we're just going to explore everything here on the ship. I did go to the market and I did purchase white Hennessy, and that's going to be really nice in my collection just because I heard you can't buy that in the States, so I get to pick that up after noon. I'm excited about that just to have in my collection. Okay, we are all changed and ready for lunch at Chops. Now, I do want to mention Chops is open for lunch from noon to 1:30. And for the price for lunch, it's $21.99 per person, which is an additional cost. So not too bad. I'm excited. Let's head up there. Well, how's your jellyfish thing today, babe?
A lot better. It's healed.
Yeah,
Completely.
it looks gone.
It doesn't hurt at all.
Yeah. Oh, I like your bracelets. The evil eye bracelets from Universal. Once again, Chops is located here inside of Windjammer. And here we are. Guys, we are the first ones here for lunch. Thank you so much. And we got lucky. We got sat right next to the window. Here's a quick look at their lunch menu. Lots of really, really good options. Everything sounds so good. Ooh, they have a key lime pie for dessert and a red velvet cake. We have the onion bread, which we loved last time, and the pretzel bread. For our appetizer, Bianca got the wedge salad, which was really good. And then I got the colossal shrimp. I saw this on the menu the other day and I was very curious, but this is a rum old-fashioned. It's not as great as just like your normal old-fashioned, but it's not bad at all, especially if you like rum. The appetizers were amazing, but now it's time for our main entrees. Bianca got the steak burger, which looks really good. And then I got the Caesar salad with filet mignon on top. I think we may half both of our entrees because they both look really good. I'm pretty sure you guys can't tell, but the city of Miami is just right here. We can see like some tall buildings, and we just looked on the radar, and that is in fact Miami, Florida. It's dessert time. Bianca got the key lime pie. Ooh, and then I got the red velvet cake slice. Once again, I have nothing bad to say about Chops Grille. 10 out of 10. It is worth the additional upcharge. We just love this place, and actually we liked lunch a little bit more than dinner. I'm surprised myself, but it was just delicious. Passing through Windjammer, they have a chocolate fountain out today. We are inside of the casino, and we're playing this quarter game, and I just won a $20 bill. I'm gonna try to get this one too. This is so fun, but yet so addicting. I don't remember what the last clip was, but we just made it back to our room. We have literally been outside all day long, just enjoying the ship, enjoying the sunshine, and it was cool just knowing like we were going in circles around Miami. But we also spent a good amount of time inside of the casino this afternoon. That was a fun time. It's very addicting, but very fun. We're just gonna be hanging out until supper. I think we're just doing Windjammer just because. What is it? What night is it? It's not Caribbean night.
Mediterranean night.
It's Mediterranean night. So we're going to go up there, enjoy dinner, and probably go back to the casino at some point just because we had so much fun in the casino today. I want to mention today is the first day the ship isn't really rocky. And I know we are moving pretty slow right now, but last night it did get a little intense. Not scary or anything. And again, I'm not the one to complain about the motion of the ship because I do enjoy it. But the last few nights, it was pretty intense, at least at nighttime when we started moving. But today, it's nice and calm as we are enjoying our day at sea. I do want to say our stateroom host has been absolutely amazing. Even the other hosts that we see when we're walking up and down the hallway, they're just so kind, and they call us by name, even like the other stateroom host is calling us by Devin and Bianca. So that's just one of the best perks I love about cruising is just the stateroom hosts really can make a difference.
The hospitality.
Yes, they're just very kind. Whatever you do, don't look down. Our last visit here to Windjammer for dinner. Washy washy. Yeah. They have shrimp and mussels tonight. They have a Mongolian station tonight. You basically pick out what you want, just like the ramen station from, I believe that was day 2, which I missed, by the way. That was awesome. My goodness. Look at all of these cakes for dessert this evening. This is dangerous, very, very dangerous. They have a meat and cheese station. They have a baked potato, grilled tilapia, sweet chili and garlic roasted chicken, a braised lamb shank. Wow. Mashed potatoes and gravy, and steamed vegetables. And they have a roasted turkey with cranberry sauce. This does not look like this came from Windjammer. Look at that. Well, we know it's Mediterranean night, but those noodles that were made to order, we could not pass those up because they were really good. And I'm glad we decided to get those because it was worth it. And
Very filling.
it was very filling. And it was like, it's something that you wouldn't think to get from Windjammer, like the buffet for the cruise line. And it was good. I recommend that. If you're on a ship that offers that, do it. And also the ramen station. I know I really didn't film that much, but honestly, we were just relaxing all day long from the moment we woke up. So it was fantastic. It was much needed. And we just really got to relax and just take in our final day here on Independence of the Seas. I do recommend Royal Caribbean. This is our second time sailing with Royal Caribbean, and I definitely will be sailing with them many more times. We really want to check out a Oasis class ship. I think it's time because I've heard really good things about the Oasis class, and I've also been hearing really good things about Celebrity. So we may be checking out Celebrity because we were able to talk with so many passengers on the ship, and they were just so nice. A lot of them are like Diamond Plus members, so I can really see us cruising with Royal Caribbean a lot more. So stay tuned. We have a lot of cruises happening throughout this year. We are definitely going to be on the Disney Wish sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. Between Royal Caribbean and Disney, they both have pros and cons. I recommend them both, but overall, we really, and I mean we really enjoyed ourselves. The crew was amazing. There was plenty of activities for us to always do all around the ship, and perfect day at Coco Cay. I mean, that is worth it on its own. Just like a Disney cruise. Like, I would book a Disney cruise just to go to Castaway Cay, and also I would just book a Royal Caribbean cruise to check out perfect day at Coco Cay. Unbelievable. I wish we had one more day at Coco Cay, but you know what? I really enjoyed the 4-day cruise. Like, I feel like 3-day cruises are just a taste. Like, they're too short. 4-day was nice. I think the next one, we may have to check out a 5-day cruise. And I'm still glad we decided not to get the drink package, because once again, that was going to be just under $700 for both of us to have the drink package. And I believe I spent about $125 for our drinks for this entire cruise, so not bad. Something that we really enjoyed about this cruise is the fact that you now have the option to wear your face coverings. This is a brand new policy. This is the first week Royal Caribbean is doing this. I felt safe. Also, everybody on board is fully vaccinated, including crew members. The only people who are not fully vaccinated are children who can't get vaccinated. So I felt comfortable. Bianca felt comfortable. I think the only time I felt like I needed to put the mask on was in the elevators. But other than that, I felt fine and safe. All right, my friends, that's going to do it for today's video. Another fantastic day here on board Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. I highly recommend this cruise ship. I hope I was able to help you guys out if you're thinking about cruising with Royal Caribbean or cruising on Independence of the Seas. I absolutely loved filming this series, and I was able to bring you guys along for our little vacation because it was much needed. If you enjoyed this video, or if you enjoyed this whole video series, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, because it really does help out the channel in so many different ways. Thank you all so much. I love you. And YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Prince Charming out. Good morning, Port Canaveral. We have made it back safe and sound. We are about to head downstairs and have breakfast and head back over to the parking garage and head back to Orlando. It was such a fun trip. I really cannot wait to cruise again very soon.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.